Good afternoon, everyone. This is Taha with Elliottwave Forecast, and welcome to another monthly video blog. Every month, we do a free video blog where we talk about an Elliottwave structure and we provide opportunities for our followers and members. It's a free video, uh, on an upcoming opportunity. So today's date is November the 25th, and today's instrument for the month is going to be MOD, Modine Manufacturing Company. Now, a little bit about the company. It's pretty much a leader in thermal management solutions. They've been around for a century, over a century, and they are pretty much in heating, cooling. They improve air quality across commercial, industrial, and vehicular markets. Uh, as you can see from the chart, it's a pretty bullish instrument, right? We've been rallying since 2022, and it's a textbook impulse. Today's video will focus on the cycle from May 2023, right? It's a textbook 5 waves. You have 1, 2, the separation in the wave 3, and now as you can see the choppy wave 5. When you count the swings from 805, you will see that this is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this cycle is coming to an end, the cycle from 805. Now it could extend, right? The market could always, extend if it's a bullish instrument, but we need to be aware that you should not be chasing because this cycle is coming to an end. And once this cycle ends, it will pull back in a larger degree ABC. That degree or that pullback should correct May 2023. So usually in a wave 4, so you see how this blue 4 corrected blue 2. Usually wave 4s, they correct and go to the 38.2 retracement, right? So you see this one here managed to go to $91 and then it reversed and made new highs. If we're going to be pulling back in a black 4, depending on how high we go, let's say we still make new highs, this black 4 could go to 107, right? And if it peaks right now, you're expecting a $40 drop towards 103. We like to be buying it there, right? That's the opportunity we see. Now, once we get more data, if we can get the first leg, the connector, we can measure equal legs, which is the blue box area. It's an area where high frequency algorithms tend to buy. The market would be at extremes. So we like to wait for that area to be buyers. And once we get this area and once we enter, we will be targeting a new all-time high. Basically another cycle similar to this, right, in black 5, right? So that's pretty much it. To conclude, we're expecting a correction to be taking place, and that correction should provide us with a buying opportunity. We like to buy it in 3, or sometimes the market could do 7. The 7 would be a reaction and then lower before higher. Sometimes wave 4s can become 7, right? For now we will buy the 3, and if the 3 fails, then we will look to buy it in 7, right? That's pretty much it. Now, if you like what you're seeing, please check us out at elliottwaveforecast.com. We do this on a monthly basis, and on a daily basis we provide free articles, right? We cover stock market, we cover forex, we cover cryptos, commodities, and bonds, right? We even have a section for forex if that's what you trade. If you like what you're reading, you can check us out. You can take the 14-day trial, right? For the price of a burger and fries, you can check us out for 2 weeks. We have live sessions on a daily basis. We have a 24-hour chat room where you can ask questions. If the 1-hour cycles change, you can ask us. We do a lot, right? We have signals where every day We scan the markets and we look for blue boxes. Um, so yeah, feel free to check us out, and we hope to see you in the members area. Thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you next month. Take care. Have a good one.